Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones REDMI Buds 4 Pro on your iOS device. You have to start by opening App Store, now go to search, click on search line and write Xiaomi. Now search, then scroll down and you should install this application. Now open it. Read and agree, choose your region, then click next, skip, and we did it! Oh, and click allow. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!